Lost an app on your Android phone and want to get it back? In this video, I'll show you how to recover uninstalled apps on Android using the official method through the Google Play Store. This updated 2026 guide works for most Android devices, including phones from Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Google Pixel, and more. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Tap your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Manage Apps and Device, then switch to the Manage tab to see all apps connected to your Google account. Next, tap the filter option that says Installed or This Device. A menu will appear on your screen. Select Not Installed to view apps that were previously downloaded but are no longer on your device. This is the easiest way to find deleted or accidentally removed apps. Now scroll through the list to find the app you want to recover. Once you find the app, check the box next to it and tap the download icon in the upper right corner. The app will begin downloading and reinstalling automatically on your Android phone. This method is safe, fast, and helps restore apps without losing access to apps linked to your Google account. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Android tips and tutorials.